Hey, good afternoon. It's Jeremiah with Affordable Mobility Solutions. Today I'm shooting a video of this 2021 Chrysler Voyager. It's a rear entry. You can see with the key fob here, I can operate both power sliding doors in the rear trunk hatch. It's got the clamps here, keep the ramp in place. I can operate this entire conversion using just 2 fingers. Got a handle on either side. I pinch and I flip. Super simple to do. Check it out. 1 finger is all this takes. Tell our customers if you can lift half a gallon of milk up off the ground, you can operate that 34-inch wide ramp with ease. 34 inches is 4 inches wider than most side entries. So if you're looking to haul a wider chair or chairs, this might be the answer for you. If someone parks next to you in a side entry wheelchair van, you cannot get out in your wheelchair. Not the case with the rear entry. The rear entry have more ground clearance for getting over rougher terrain, and they're more affordable to convert, therefore more affordable for you to purchase. A few of the advantages to the rear entry, but we sell side entry. We have full-size vans. We have trucks and SUVs that are wheelchair accessible. Check out our website at mobility316.com. We have over 90 vehicles on the ground ready to go today. So check that out. Let us know how we can help. Got an 800-pound weight capacity here. About 55 inches room coming inside the van, then about 55 once you're inside the van. Does taper at about 32 inches of width here where the ramp sets. It's got the deep cut conversion, so if you want to haul 2 wheelchairs at a time, these Chryslers actually have about a foot longer cut than both Toyota and Dodge. So if having that extra foot of room is important to you, these Chryslers might be the answer for you. We can put a 3rd row flip base seat in here that can haul, so you can haul 6 people plus a wheelchair. We can even put a flip base seats up here. The seats will flip up on the side and clear that canal. Currently there's about 20 inches of room between those seats. My point is, let us know your measurements. Let us know how many people you're hauling. Let us help customize this van to meet your needs. Headliner looks great. Got your rear air controls up there. Got your cup holders in the back. Have our Q-string tie downs here. We throw these in at no charge to you. A lot of our competitors are going to charge you $600 to $800 to upgrade to these. We throw them in at no charge to you. Got your Q-string warranty and tie down information there. Got your cup holders. Nice center console here for your passengers, both front and back. Plug-ins for all your electronics. Got your dual climate control, your rear air, backup camera. Dash is in great shape. No cracks or holes in the dash. Steering wheel controls, so you can keep your eyes on the road. You can sync up your phone. You can also operate all the power sliding doors from the center console up top there. So when you do have everybody secure, come back out, reverse the process. Again, very simple. 1 finger, latch it down, and you are ready to go. You can shut the power door there. A quick walk around this van. It's got tinted windows. It's got the alloy wheels. Rear tires are about 830 seconds, so still quite a bit of tread left on them. 7 to 830 seconds. Nice clean van. I'm not portraying it as brand new, but it's been very well taken care of. The front tires are dang near brand new tires, so new tires on the front, very good condition on the back, so good tires on this van. As I do a walk around, I'm gonna look for any small dents or scratches or anything like that, but overall very clean van. You hear me talk all the time how we can save you $5,000 to $10,000 on your next wheelchair accessible van. How we do it is simple. It's low overhead, and being right in the middle of the country, Wichita, Kansas, that allows us to do free shipping anywhere in the lower 48 states. Little scuff right there, nothing major, but I want you to see I'm shooting you straight. I see a little ding about the size of my fingernail right there. The camera's probably not even picking that up, but it is a nice clean van. But like I said, we do free shipping, saves you money in the lower 48 states. And I want you to imagine our competitors with 5, 10, 20 or more stores, locations, compared to our one. Imagine how many millions of dollars more per month, not per year, per month, they have of overhead than we do. That's how we save you so much money. There's no magic trick to it. It's low overhead. And I want you to make, no matter who you do business with, make sure you get a video of the VIN number. Why I'm saying that, this Facebook Marketplace is the dirtiest place in the world to buy a van. People are taking our vans, they're cutting out my emblem up there, our sign, and they're putting a van like this for sale online for $15,000, $2,000 deposit to hold it. They're trying to scam someone out of that $2,000. They're simply stealing pictures. They don't have these vans in their possession. Say to anybody you buy from, I want a video of the VIN number. My name is Jeremiah Coleman. I own Affordable Mobility Solutions. Got this van right here in my possession. They can't make this video because they don't have these vans in their possession. Make sure you get that video. Protect yourself. What we do is have VIN number on a Carfax on every single one of our vehicles before we buy it. 1 owner, no accidents or damage, has 5 service record, good service history. Last owner is a rental vehicle. Now, a lot of people say stay away from rental vehicles. I would agree if it's a sports car, but I don't think too many people say, honey, grab the kids. We're going to rent a minivan this weekend and go out and hot rod it. It means highway miles. That's a good thing. Last owned in nice, salt, rust-free Georgia. Sorry about that. Had a phone call come in, but back to the van. Carfax shows no total loss, no salvage, junk, rebuilt, fire, flood, hail, or lemon brands on the title. So this is not one of the super risky salvage or rebuilt titles. This is one owner, clean title, no accidents. Carfax shows no structural damage, airbags have never deployed, odometer's accurate, and no open recalls. And no matter who you do business with, find them online, check out their ratings and reviews. Look at us on eBay, 1,580 transactions. Every single one of those transactions left us positive feedback that's 100%. I'd say that's a good reputation. And no matter who you do business with, find them on Google. Make sure they are a real company. Make sure they have a handful of reviews. Look at our 4.8 out of 5 stars. We've got 326 reviews. I hear horror stories all the time about people that bought from the general public or the low-end dealers with the 1 and 2 and 3 star ratings instead of 4.8 like we have. They end up with a van has a salvage title they weren't told about, mechanical issues, flood damage, all kinds of things. I've heard it all. So hey, if you want 1 and 2 and 3 star experiences, you go ahead and deal with the general public and low-end dealers. If you want 5-star vans with 5-star service and the best prices in the country, I look forward to working with you. All right, another great feature about this van, it's got the remote start. You hit the button twice, it'll fire right up. So if you want to come out to a nice air-conditioned van this time of year, or you want to come out to a nice heated up warm van, defrosted windows, you've got that option. The van does come with a 1 key fob. If you want us to get additional key fobs made on your dime, we can sure do so. I like the push button start on this van, so the key is in your pocket or your purse. All you do is push your foot on the brake, push the button there, the van fires right up. So you don't have to fish it out of your pocket or anything. You see all the dummy lights working, they all go out. There's no check engine lights on, no airbag. 66,768 miles. Got our backup camera, works good there. Show you the radio here as well. It's your radio also. And then we have the, if you want to make your doors manual, as in turn off the power doors, if you use the van commercially, you can do that. They'll open and shut quickly like so. Just going to show you the back seats here. They're in very good condition, just like the rest of the van. And I've got 3 mechanics that work for me. We've tested all the power, mirrors, windows, and locks. I'm going to show you the mirrors and the windows moving right now. We tested the heat, air, cruise, belts, hoses, suspension, steering, brakes, tires, taking these on a road test, replace fluids as necessary. My point is, we don't just run these to the car wash and put them on the lot. They go through a very thorough inspection before they hit my lot. Underneath the hood is a 3.6 V6 engine, idles smoothly, no signs of any damage, no signs of any leaks, and it purrs like a kitten. Underneath the van, much of the same, very clean. No signs of any bent metal from an accident, no signs of any oil or fluid leaks, no signs of any water damage, from being in a flood, and no signs of any rust from being up north. It's one of the major mistakes people make when they buy used vehicles. They assume things. They assume just because it's got looks good in pictures, they assume it runs and drives good, they assume it's never been in a bad accident or a flood. Folks, you know how many vehicles I see at auction every week that are brand new vehicles that sustained flood damage? The auctions will just take them to the auction, dump them off, make them someone else's problem after they claimed insurance on them. So there's a lot. So that's brand new vehicles. My point is, you better know what you're doing. I want you to go check out my competitors. I don't care if it's another dealer. I don't care if it's a private individual. I want you to ask yourself, do they show me their thousands of reviews, positive reviews, so I know I'm dealing with someone honest, reputable, and fair? Do they show me a free Carfax report, so I know I'm buying a vehicle that's got a clean title, no major accidents or damage, never been in a flood? They get down on their hands and knees and even bother taking a couple pictures of the undercarriage, much less a detailed video so you can see no flood damage, no bent metal from an accident. They get up on the roof and take pictures of the roof to show there's no holes drilled in the roof from being a taxi, no hail damage up there. You know how many vehicles see auction every week, especially these taller vehicles, the roof is just trashed because the sellers know that nobody looks at the roof, and that's why they don't fix it. You know who looks at the roof? Jeremiah with Affordable Mobility. That's who looks at the roof. So when it comes to price, when it comes to reputation, when it comes to how thorough they are, and showing you the exact vehicle you're getting, please compare me to the competition. Tell me what ends up happening if you end up buying a van you can't get a title for because you're dealing with a shady individual, or you buy a van that can't pass inspection because it's got frame damage, whether it's for an accident or a flood. In both of these cases, and in many other cases, if this happens to you, you can't get it registered, you can't drive it, you just bought a 4,000 pound paperweight. So to avoid these problems and many, many more, make sure you do 4 things before you buy from anybody. Demand a detailed video like this, not some lazy 30-second walk around. Folks, you're not buying a $500 entertainment center off the internet. This is a major purchase. Make sure you get a detailed video. Second, demand a Carfax report. Yes, Carfax costs me thousands of dollars per month, but I do that because I'm a responsible buyer. I want to know what I'm getting. I demand a Carfax report. That only benefits you, and you should too. Third, get online, find out who you're buying from, check out the reputation and reviews. Don't be a lazy buyer. Lazy buyers get scammed. Do your due diligence. And then finally, demand a warranty. Our van comes with a 90-day, 3,000 mile drivetrain plus warranty. Go to any shop in the country. Do not risk buying as is. Demand that warranty. Okay, the final portion of the video. I always like to get the vans out on the highway, give them some gas so you can hear the engine run, feel the transmission shift through all the gears, and you know whether you take advantage of our free shipping in the lower 48 states or if you come in and drive this Voyager home. We've done our due diligence. We've made sure that it's roadworthy, pops up to 70 miles an hour, no problems. Steering wheel is nice and straight, no unusual vibration or noise. Runs and drives very nice down the highway. Got the cruise control set, cruise works good. And do keep in mind, we have a complimentary 90-day warranty at no additional charge to you. We do have longer term warranty that are factory type warranties. They go all the way up to 8 years and as short as 90 days. Talk to me about how you can affordably protect your investment long term. Also keep in mind, we don't have any hidden fees. A lot of these dealers show a real nice price online. What they have hidden in the fine print is $500 administrative fee. They've got document fees, they've got tag fees, they've got freight, you name it, they got a fee for it. You know what they don't have? Free shipping. So by the time you add up all the costs of all the hidden fees and the cost of shipping, that real nice price you saw online just jumped $3,000 or $4,000. Not such a nice price anymore, is it? So be sure to ask about shipping and fees before you buy, or sit back, relax, let me take care of all that for you at no additional charge to you. My question to you, if someone's not telling you the real price of a vehicle, if they have a bunch of hidden fees on the back end to try and make more money out of you, what else are they hiding from you? Is it a salvage title? Is it flood damage? Is it major mechanical issues? You know, I can't speak for them, but one thing I can speak for, that in any business, but none more important than the used car business, transparency is key. That's exactly why I'm out here making this video today, to be 100% transparent with you. So keep that in mind when you're out shopping. I'm going to give the van a nice hard brake at the bottom of this ramp. You'll see no grinding, no squeaking, no unusual brake noise or vibration, all exactly what we're looking for. If you'd like to give us a call or a text, preferably a text, that way anyone on my staff can answer right away, but it's 316-262-8267. That's 316-262-VANS. By the way, it's almost 100 degrees down. I'm going to turn the air conditioner down. Air conditioner works great. It says 94 on the thermostat right here, but it's a warm day. AC works great. And if I challenge you to ask the competition if they are dedicated enough to customer service to give you the direct line to call or text the owner. Or do you get to call in and talk to an automated system, end up in somebody's voicemail and never get a call back? Or maybe you do get that live person. It's that super aggressive, pushy used car salesman who's going to call you 5 times a day to ask if you're ready to make a deal. So if you're like me, sick of being treated like a number by all these companies out there, and you definitely want to avoid that annoying used car salesman, give us a call, give us a text. We'll walk you through start to finish, and I promise you I'm going to sell this Voyager whether you buy it or not. Absolutely zero pressure sales here. Yes, we do have financing available. We can send an application to your phone or email address, and if computers aren't your thing, get in touch with us. We'll give you a call and take an application over the phone, no problem. Yes, we do take trade-ins, even from across the country, whether a standard or mobility vehicle. Get in touch with us. I can explain how that works. And if you ever do want to come in to visit us, we welcome that, but we do require that you make an appointment. We have 3 different locations, warehouses. We keep vehicles. We stay very busy. Make that appointment. Let us get organized for which van or vans you want to see, and we'll get you taken care of. And if you made it to the end of our video, I know it's a long video. Thank you for hanging in there. But like I mentioned earlier, I know it's a major purchase. I'm trying to be as thorough as I possibly can. And if you'd like to see our entire inventory with detailed videos just like this, free shipping on almost all our vans, free Carfax reports, dozens of pictures of every vehicle, and no hidden fees, so you know exactly what you're getting from the most thorough and transparent mobility dealership in the entire country, check out our website 24 hours a day at www.mobility316.com. That's mobility316.com. And as always, thank you so much for checking out Mobility 316, home of affordable mobility solutions, where mobility is affordable. Give us that call or text today, and I really appreciate you checking us out. Have yourself a wonderful day.